Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an Oracle deck about the Outlander series. Now, this is actually one that I was really interested in seeing because I was one of the people that watched it and loved it. I have to say, I became really quite impressed with it. Hooked, that's the thing I was trying to, I became quite hooked on it. It's essentially a romance of a woman who steps through a stone circle and then ends up, I think, meeting her lover on the other side, and she goes backwards and forwards. They both go backwards and forwards between this time. I probably haven't done it any justice in explaining it, but if you haven't seen it, my goodness, you should check it out. It's really good. Okay, so this is a deck that is themed around the books and also the TV spin-off series. Now, it has 54 cards, a booklet, and what does it say here? It's based on the New York Times best-selling series and watercolor intricate portrait cards. There are two types of cards. There's the portraits and then there's the attribute cards. To be honest, I don't really know that. I don't think there's any particular way that you're meant to use them, as in you take the portrait cards and then you use the attributes. You just literally pull the card daily. So this is a real oracle deck in the sense that this is for self-development. So you would literally turn a card a day and say, let's see what advice they give us here. Well, here's the booklet. So for the daily card, it just says what it is. One card a day to help you set a tone or feeling for the day. Or you can do 3 cards for past, present and future. So I would shuffle and then I would pull my cards. And if I was going through a period of time where I really wanted to, felt a little bit lost, an oracle deck, when you're looking for direction, when you're looking for a path to appear, or you're just looking for a bit of guidance, then oracle is brilliant for that. Okay, so you're single, so she just gives you some clues on how to do it. And then in each of them, you've got the portraits to start with. So these are like the people. And you've got 3 keywords for each card, and then the energy of that kind of person. So Jenny Fraser Murray always has a handkerchief and a comforting hand, although she's a mother bear defending her family. So it gives you an essence of that card. And then you go through to the attributes, which are cards that will just give you the attribute of the energy of it again. So they're both the same, really. I can't see the difference between the attribute and the portrait, but, well, obviously the cards are different, but okay, right, listen, it's a very thick deck. Full card. Like, this is sturdy stock. Beautiful backs. And this is, I believe it's in Scotland. So you've got like the if I could remember the thistle. So the Scottish thistle. And it's all very beautifully done around the series and around the book. Very true to it. And as I said, they're quite thick cards, so they handle very nicely. This gorgeous midnight, it's like a midnight blue colour. And it's a linen feel. I don't know if you can see that, but it's linen. Like a linen cardstock on both sides. It's very, very, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you the cards. Yeah, those are the, so you've got the Arbiter, and these are all in our A to Z. So we've got some, yeah, we've got some tarot influence here, haven't we? It really was a story of true love that transcended time. She went back and basically fell in love with him from centuries ago. I can't remember now. It was quite a long time ago I watched it, I must have, but I really did enjoy it. Hopeless, incurable, romantic. Am I? It's just really good as well, because you get a sense of the historical times that they were in. Just very well made. If you've seen it and you love it, then let me know. She's a seductress. Some of these really remind me of tarot. I can feel the major cards that have come out. I wonder what was the deciding factor. So we've got 22 major arcana, 56, so maybe she took from 7 through to the court cards. Cardstock's lovely, really solid. Perfect for an oracle. Well, if you haven't watched it, this has taken me back. I really recommend it. There we go. So that is the Outlander Oracle. Random House Worlds. Okay, let me know in the comments what you think. Have you got it? Have you used it? So that's the Outlander Oracle. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.